Hi everyone, my name's Jade. Welcome to my channel if you're new, or if you are returning to my channel then welcome back. Thank you so much for returning and I hope you are all doing really well. So today we have another unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing another Roccabox limited edition beauty subscription box. So Roccabox is a beauty subscription box and you can get them every month. You can sign up for a subscription, and they also do limited edition boxes as well. My last video was a limited edition box, so it was for their like Mother's Day, International Women's Day, but the box that I'm going to be unboxing today is the Roccabox and Emory collaboration. So they have collaborated together on a box and I'm so excited because I had a little peek on their Instagram page to see what was inside. So before we do get into today's video, guys, if you do like my videos and you want to stick around, make sure that you do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell, because every time I do upload you will get notified. And if you do like this video, guys, then please give it a huge thumbs up because it lets me know that you enjoy my videos and it really helps me out. So without further ado, let's jump straight in and unbox this box. So the limited edition boxes obviously are bigger than the normal versions of the box. I think they're normally a bit smaller, but obviously this is a limited edition so you get a bit more in there. And I believe this one is worth £77. So Roccabox do beauty box subscription plans, so you can get them monthly, 3 months or 6 months of 12 months. So they are £10 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging, which I think is really good. That's a really good value. The Emory limited edition box is £26 and it's worth £77 altogether, so that's really good. Revel in what Jack's decided no worthy makeup bag should be without: a collection of makeup must-haves, cult products and skin prep essentials that are now all yours, worth over £77. So amazing. So these are all handpicked by himself, by Jack. These are all his favourite products and what he uses, so let's get stuck in and have a little look. So the first thing I've picked up, now I have used this product before, and the fact that I now have it in a full size, I'm so excited. I've had this a few times in a few subscription boxes, like the Next. I think I might have had it in a GLOSSYBOX, Look Fantastic, Advent Calendar maybe, but it is the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. This stuff, guys, is so good. I've only had little mini pot sizes, but now I've got a full size baby, and this retails for £34. He said, I really love Illamasqua as a brand, and this primer is super hydrating, which is exactly what I'm looking for in a primer. This exactly contains microalgae, vitamin C and B3, and you can feel it instantly calm, prep and hydrate the skin as you apply it. I like to apply the jelly-like formula with a brush for the smoothest and most even results, but you can use your fingers to pat it on clean. So this is full size, obviously, and yeah, so Illamasqua is a really good brand. I've only ever used a couple of their products before, but I'm so excited that I've got this in full size, guys. So I obviously love using a primer, and look how bougie that is. It comes with a little scoop. Obviously when you get a little mini version, I'm so excited. This is just like, how do you even open this? So it opens like that. Oh my god. And then you've got a little spoon. But you get the gist, but that's what it looks like. So it's like a jelly consistency. The box is £26, it's worth £77, and this is £34 just on its own, so you know, it's really good, really good. Next up we have a Nails Inc Guilt Tripper exfoliating face mask. Is this a sheet mask? Oh, an exfoliating sheet mask. I've never used an exfoliating sheet mask before. I've used sheet masks but never an exfoliating sheet mask. So this is worth £5 and it's a super prepping product to create a really even base. This innovative and fun mask lifts away dead skin, injects moisture, leaving you with the smoothest foundation to build upon, or leave bare if you prefer. Ooh, exciting. Oh yes, I'm excited to use that. Yeah, I've never used an exfoliating sheet mask, so I am really excited to use that, guys. So we get cute little face mask in there. You definitely can't go wrong with a face mask. So it's definitely a really good box for like prepping your skin before your makeup and stuff, which is what I'm all about. One thing I've learned since I've been doing my makeup course, my online makeup course, is something I would never always do is that before I do my makeup, I would maybe put on a bit of moisturizer, but it's all about prepping your skin and your base before you put on your makeup, because you're thinking of it as a canvas. So when you go to do painting, like for example, if you was to paint your walls, you'd put on a primer, like a coat before you put on the actual paint. So yeah. So we also get a little, I think this is like a bonus product. It says bonus product. So this is the ISO Clean brush cleaner, which I've heard such good things about. This is obviously, this is only £1, so it's like a little sample size, but I've heard such good things about this. And it's just, so they've just said, our bonus gift to you, because we couldn't create a box with a brush master like Jack without encouraging you to keep your own brushes clean. So apparently this is like the best brush cleaner going, and all you do is like put it onto like a cotton pad and then just swivel in your brushes around. So I'm excited to try that, because I've been really looking at like buying this. I've been looking at it a lot, so I'm excited for that. That's good to have in a box, definitely. So next we have, I think this is just a deluxe sample. Yes, this is a mini size. So this is the Glam Go Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. That's a mouthful. This retails for £5.18. I like that it's a sample size. I do like getting full size products in the boxes, but it's nice to get sample sizes as well. So for a super quick, no makeup base that delivers, ooh, okay, I thought it was like a moisturizer. Okay, so it just says on here Nude Glow, that's the shade. So I'm guessing it's like a tinted moisturizer, because it says Glow Starter Mega Illuminate Moisturizer. So it just says here, for a super quick, no makeup base that delivers amazing radiance, there's not much that beats this. Expect a ridiculous amount of hydration thanks to the hyaluronic acid, the #1 ingredient that you should always use on your skin, because it's amazing, guys, and other skin loving ingredients, paired with a glowy illuminating can't say this word, pearlescent glow and a hint of sun-kissed colour. It's basically like your own skin on a really good day. Ooh, I'm intrigued. So, oh crap, I just like squirted it. I'm intrigued, so I'm gonna just pop a little bit on the back of my hand. So that's what it looks like. Let's just rub it in. Oh, that is super glowy, dewy, illuminating. Does it smell nice? Oh my god, it smells amazing. Oh, you guys know I love to smell my products, but that smells good. Oh, so it says you can wear alone or lay with your favourite foundation. Oh yes, lovely. Don't know if you can see that, but it's very glowy. This next product, guys, I have used this several times. I have worked with Eyeliner London on this product, and it is amazing. And I know that Jack, I always see him use it as well in his YouTube videos and things like on TikTok and Instagram. So this is the Eyeliner Line and Lash Adhesive Eyeliner. It's so good. So if you're not really, if you find like glue's really fiddly when you put your eyelashes on, this, you need to try this, because it's literally, you just apply it like a liquid eyeliner, and then you just stick your eyelash onto that, and it's done. Put, stays. It's amazing. It's so good, honestly. So this retails for £10, but it's really, really good. So yeah, honest to God, I love this. If you love wearing eyeliner, then definitely, it's definitely something to think about investing in, because it's just so easy and handy to have in your handbag. Because if you run out of glue, you don't even need to put loads on. You could just put the littlest like line just above, and then stick your lash on, and it's just amazing. So, and they also do it in a white as well. He said, this is genius. It's a brilliant felt tip eyeliner pen that lays down a super precise line of adhesive, all ready for you to apply your false lashes. It makes lash application so much easier and quicker. It's quite literal and easy as applying your everyday eyeliner. An absolute must if, like me, you love your falsies. So he recommends it so much, and yeah, so I'm really happy about that. I don't know if everyone will get the black, because just looking on the leaflet, it's got the black and the clear, so maybe it's like a I guess, a lucky dip, so whether you get the black or the clear, but they're both just as good. I've used both, so yeah, really good. I'm really happy with that. So next up, guys, we have some MAC. We have a MAC product. Now, it is a travel size, but it's cute, and it's a lipstick, and I'm so freaking excited. So this is £12, okay, for the travel size. This is a mini matte lipstick in the shade Mocha, and he said it's a cult favourite from an iconic brand. What's not to love? Like, everybody knows that MAC lipsticks are just the best, like, you know, amazing. The matte formula is striking alone, but I also love a matte lipstick as a base to layer with gloss. Yeah, I love to do that too. Oh, and the dinky size is perfect for throwing in your bag now that leaving the house again is on the horizon. Oh, of course, yes. Ooh, so I've not used this shade before, but look how cute it is. It's so cute. A minute, I forgot one that I can compare. This is the normal size of a MAC lip. That's the normal size. I'm going to drop this box. And this is the mini size. How cute is that? So this is £12. I'm not sure how much the full size are. I think they're like, I want to say like £20, £18, something like that. So absolutely cute, nice, right up my street. A gorgeous nude. It's a bit on the dark side, maybe. Let's just give it a little swatch, and maybe I should do it on this hand so I don't put it over the oh yes. MAC lipsticks, guys, if you wear MAC lipsticks a lot, they smell like sweets or cake or something, but that is a really nice colour, so I'm really happy with that. So happy. And again, travel size, so when we can go out, when we're allowed to go back out and start going to the pubs and things, this is perfect to throw in your handbag because it's small. I didn't actually know that MAC did mini size lipsticks. That's just great, just to throw in your bag, because I always get scared of losing my MAC lipsticks. I don't know about you guys, but like, MAC lipsticks can be expensive, and when you buy a load, and then, you know, I've done it before and I've popped a brand new MAC lipstick in my bag on a night out and lost it and just been so sad. So I guess it's not too bad if you lose this one. It's only £12, still a bit expensive, but it's a mini one, so it won't, basically it could get lost in your bag where you can't find it, whereas if a big one, it's easy to lose, is it? Do you know what I mean? So yeah, so happy about that. So last product in the box, guys, we have Jack's palette. So he collaborated with Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. He collaborated with Revolution, and he made his own eyeshadow palette. And do you know something? I'm so happy that this is in the box, because I've actually been eyeing this up for a while and just never like got around to buying it, and now I have it and I'm so happy. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, colours and stuff. I love Revolution palettes. They're so good. This is, how much did this retail for? £10. So he said, my own personal masterpiece. This took an entire year to create. Oh my god, my hair's getting stuck to my eyelashes. Plus years of me dreaming about what I could put in my own eye makeup palette, and I'm so proud of it. I designed it so that each quarter of the palette contains 5 shades that work together to create a whole new eye look. Ooh, that's good. Oh yeah, okay. Ooh, hold on. The colours pop. The colour pops are intense, the shades are highly pigmented, and there's a selection of matte and shimmer powders to play around with. So he said there's 5, each quarter contains 5 shades that you can make a look with. So he said every quarter it has 5 shades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, and it'll create like a look. So we have these here, that's quite nice, these ones, and then all these together, and then all these together. Obviously you can use whichever, but I really like that. I like the fact that each section, you know, you've got your little bits there where you can make your own look. So I'm actually really excited to play around with that. Some really nice colours. I'm normally into like, so this is more my vibe, like nudes and stuff, but but I do like to play with a pop of colour now and again, so I'm excited to use these, like the blue and the yellow. That looks really nice. So yeah, that is really good. I'm really impressed with that, guys. I think that's a really good box and it's 100% worth the money. £22. Was it £22 or £26? I don't want to get the wrong, I think it was 26. Yeah, so £26 obviously, and plus postage and packaging as well. Everything's worth £77, and just the first product, the Illamasqua Hydra Veil, sold it for me because that's just £34 on its own. So yeah, I think it's a really good box. It's still available to buy. I think, yes, it's still available to buy, so you can buy your own, guys. I will leave the links and everything down below in the description box so you can check it out and go and buy your own. But yeah, that was everything in this limited edition Roccabox. I'm going to be doing these every month, I think, so stay tuned for next month's box. I love doing these sorts of unboxings. It's just really nice to get a nice treat every month. So if you did like this video, guys, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget, if you aren't subscribed, you love watching my videos, stick around, hit the subscribe button, join my little YouTube family. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye, guys.